What if I told you your art is not that bad? Ha! You're welcome! Sometimes you're closer than you think, bro. I'm just saying, homie. I've requested in my Discord for you guys to send your artwork and I'll try to improve it. Ooh, indeed, you champs have sent me a lot of art. And for sure, loads of muscles in it for some strange reason. I wonder why. So, instead of playing more Baldur's Gate 3, let's get into very serious business. By the way, join our Discord server if you want a paint over too, link in the description. I can guarantee I got insane recording this video, so hit a like button for mental health. First one is from Brian Fire, I hope I pronounced it right, which said that colors don't look to be very good together, and at the moment I look at it, I knew what was wrong. A panther fur is extremely dark and soft, which means we are either going to see through the fur, the dark skin, or we see the fur reflecting the ambient. Only one or number two, or the passage between 1 and 2. We're going to have blue reflected from the sky into the face of the panther. And there's going to have very strong, deep black in the middle. People tend to have trouble to understand how it works, but here is a simple formula for you. If the fur is in the direction of the viewer's perspective, into your eyes, it means you see through it. But if it's following any other direction, it will receive reflection. Heck yeah! Oh, and of course, don't feel afraid to add strong colors into your reflection. Show how vivid your artwork can be. Show how bright and full of colors yay, it can be. I use it strong blues, I use it strong yellows. Go and use those strong colors whenever you want. And careful to not make everything too strong, but go there and use some. Heck yeah, I'm proud of you. Yeah! Second artwork is from Henry, which asked what can be improved. And whenever I take a look at an art piece where the background takes a lot of space, I automatically set my brain and it goes like, ambient light! This happens to me, and I'm sure this happens with you guys. No, not a scream. Not a scream. I mean that we believe our artworks already have the perfect ambient light, but it can always, and I truly mean it, always can improve. My biggest tip for you is to create a new layer. It can be a color dodge, screen, overlay mode, any of those, and test a big airbrush to see if adding light in certain places can turn the scene even more aesthetic. As for example, with my own artwork, I thought this was already finished. No, it's not, what a freak. And by trying freaking trying again, I got this. Heck yeah, I got this. Looking gorgeous. Even got the scene more warm, reddish. So summing up, risk it all, try to improve how dramatic your artwork looks so you can fill people's heart with your art. I know, this sentence was amazing. This sentence is a 10 out of 10. And we gotta always remind ourselves what truly matters. Does the window behind the character matters as much as the character? No. So that's why I made the window much brighter. Even if the color of it is black, I'm going to make it brighter because it doesn't matter as much as the character silhouette. I want to show the character silhouette much more than I want to show the window silhouette. And this is the before and after. Let's go next work! Some of you champs ask on stream how to not give up on a big artwork and render it. Here's my biggest quick tips for you and get help on it. Number 1, put a daily time limit and work on it frequently, like 1 hour per day or even less. And number 2, plan what you'll be doing and focus on only that thing in your drawing, okay? Only that specific hand or only that hair, only that. That's right, these tips helped me so freaking much and I know it's going to help you a lot. High five! Art by L Clown, which needs help on rendering and colors. Rendering does take time, and I understand you're feeling that way. Like, I truly understand you're feeling that way. Oh. My best tips for rendering here is to pick what you already have and reinforce their silhouette. Like, it's this specific place that is going to be this object. Not a pixel more, not a pixel less. That's it. And again, it's a marathon, not a short sprint. So little by little, apply lines that shows even stronger the form of each object. And make smooth gradients with an airbrush. About colors, I focus on separating the character from the background, which made me happier to see the character even faster. I noticed it faster the character was there there and was not touching in the background. They are separated. Whenever drawing cartoon champs, make sure to understand clearly what art style you are focusing on, so you can be sure that this is going to turn into something marvelous and you understand which way you're going to render. Let's take a look on the before and after. Ta-da! Wow! So, I also forcibly took my cat from its sleep just to show her to you champs. She's so fluffy. I love it. She's so... You think I don't know why you have stayed this long in this video? Oh, you know what I'm talking about. Barras, muscle bodies. Okay. Feedback to 0. Extremely family friendly. I see. Rachel, please censor that. You are in the right path. Just focus more on how muscles work depending on the perspective. To make those giga shed faces, just do the face, you know? The pain pleasure face with very square form, so it's a complete shed. Biceps and triceps can look difficult at first, but after understanding where they are, it becomes much easier. Literally, just look at those anatomy medicine schools books and they have the best way for you to take a look on it. On shadows and light, it always starts by understanding where light is coming from and where light is going to hit. I'm constantly questioning myself if light will hit on a specific place, and after it, I ask myself if it's going to cast shadows. Where? It's a daily training. It's not going to happen in one night, 1 week, 1 month. Take your time to analyze the right place of shadows and light. Take your time. Enjoy the process, champ. Enjoy the process. The process is the master of all. The process is the master. The Pokemon master. Gotta catch them all. So that's a wrap. Before and after. Right here. And another one. Another one, but a last one. This one is a final small tip by giving feedback to Fuji-san! He's been my student for years. Dude is rocking it, you got it, bro! Which is always to separate characters from background. We tend to make them too close together, and please just remember to separate them by lowering contrast of the background around them and adding contrast to the character and the specific place that you want people to be looking more. In this case, it was heads and shoulders, bust place. Yes, please do this. Change saturation, a lot of saturation on main character, low on the background. A lot of contrast and values on the character, low in background. Never forget it. You got it, champ. You got it. You got it. Ow, ow. Discord group, link in the description if you want to get a feedback just like this one. I desire you all the love, all the peace. You're amazing, champ. Bye-bye. Why?